Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make bean sweet soup in Cookingdom. First, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients: red beans, sugar, and water. Make sure these are readily available in your inventory. Also, confirm you have an empty cooking pot in your kitchen. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker, so take a moment to organize your supplies. Next, let's prepare the beans. Carefully place 100 grams of red beans into your cooking pot. Then, add 500 milliliters of water to the pot, ensuring the beans are fully submerged. Now, place the pot on your stove and bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. This initial step is crucial for softening the beans and beginning the cooking process effectively. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let the beans simmer for about 30 minutes or until they become tender. After the beans are soft, it's time to add the sweetness. Stir in 50 grams of sugar and feel free to adjust this amount to your personal preference. Continue to simmer for an additional 5 minutes, allowing the sugar to fully dissolve and meld with the beans. Finally, remove the pot from the heat and let your bean sweet soup cool down just a bit. It's often best enjoyed warm, but you can also chill it for a refreshing cold dessert. Carefully ladle your delicious creation into a serving bowl. Congratulations, you've successfully made bean sweet soup in Cookingdom. Enjoy every spoonful of your sweet, comforting treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.